Fibrenew has a squeaky clean reputation. We have thousands and thousands of happy customers who truly care about their belongings. Whether it's furniture in a home or in an office, a car seat or a steering wheel, seating in a restaurant or medical facility, or the interior of a yacht or a jet. If a consumer or a business has called Fibrenew, it's because they need the best in the business to take care of the job. Our proprietary products and advanced training program equip every new franchisee with the tools, skills, and confidence to deliver a high level of quality every time. We believe in what we have to offer, and it shows. Check out the thousands of 5-star Google reviews with before and after photos of the magic that keeps our customers coming back and recommending us to others.